Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And again, welcome back to my recording studio. Today I want to talk about a really exciting partnership that we have in the works. We've got it started and installed, and so today's video will be some of the prep work that went into it. It's a company called Agrimaxx that I'm gonna let them do their whole spiel. So we had them install it, and Matt, our installer, helped kind of explain all that. So that'll be the next video. So this first video is going to be some of the prep work. We sent in a water test to get our levels of all of our water tested. And then we had to drill into and install some threadlets into our main line. And then so you'll get to see the next step of them installing the next phase of it. And at the moment, I can't even remember off the top of my head what probes. That's the next part. Where they install the actual probes and then the brains of the outfit. The whole goal of it is to decrease our water usage and improve the quality of our crops. And so we'll go over a little bit more of that in the next one. So this will be the start of, we'll do update videos throughout. And so we'll let you know what our thoughts on it are and how the process goes. So we're really excited for it. And thank you guys so much for watching our content. If you're enjoying it, hit that subscribe button. And we're going to be doing all of our recording that for the season is going to be a little bit more raw. The editing process is always what slows me down, and I get hung up on if I'm showing too much detail, not enough detail is interesting to people. So things are probably going to seem a little more raw and rough, but that's kind of what we wanted to show, more of the real side of life, and so of what agriculture is. And so I've got some stuff that we've recorded that's a little more I got a little more vulnerable about a parenting moment. So, because this is our life of raising our kids on the farm. And so, yeah, so let me know what you guys are interested in and how we can improve and all that fun stuff. We love any comments and feedback, and we hope you guys enjoy. So thanks. This is the truck that we keep the welder and all our acetylene torch stuff in. We had a haystack fall on it a couple years ago, and I can't remember what else is wrong with it. So we have to tow it everywhere.
Yes.
Are you off the brake? No parking brake? It should just be rolling. There we go. The parking brake was on. This is the spot where we've decided to install the probes into. This way it will be able to get access to the water, whether it's coming from our creek water through the booster pump and the pond, or whether it's coming through the well water. This metal was really thin, and so it kind of proved difficult during the welding process. But we had our amazing friend Dane come out and help us. He's not a professional welder, but he knows enough to get the job done, and which is way more than any of the rest of us know around here. Chris's dad used to be the one that did all the welding, and his brother comes out and helps us with other projects, but we weren't able to get him out in time to get this done before we needed to get the install. So we were so grateful that Dane was able to come out and help us.
Well, let's all stop that.
That just snapped clean in half. There's no power to it, the battery's dead.
Well, it was working just fine. That one fell down in the pipe.
Yay!
The plug. Guess what?
It ran out of battery again? Yes. Oh, okay, I'll text Chris.
Lost that one too. You get it?
Oh. So close.
There you go. Well done. That's all that was in there.
So all the prep work is done and we're ready to start welding.
Go to 45. That's what I was afraid of.
These are the threadlets that the probes will be screwed into. That's the plug. I think I put them together. We'll be using these plugs to seal the holes until they come to install the probes. Well, monkey. This plug got hit just right to where it welded it in place in one little spot. Yeah. Want to get off or get on? The plug that got tapped with the welder earlier gave problems when we took it out and it messed up the threads. So we had to go and find the tap and kind of fix those and clean them up.
You think this plug is okay, or are you trying to go find another one?
Let's see how.
Try it dry first?
Yeah, let's try it.
Here, Landon, get us done.
What is these things? Oh, Mommy, look.
Here, let Dane do it, please.
That's what you look like it. What are these things for? Mommy, Ezra has a bucket.
It's okay.
Move feet. What are these?
The threads are damaged, so we're gonna go see if we can find another plug.
Lots of them leaking. I'm a lousy welder today.
What do you tell?
They're all leaking.
I didn't see you chew that much bubble gum.
We shut the water off, let it dry, and added some more welding to it to try to get all those leaks sealed up. We got everything sealed up except for a few small little weeping areas, but by the time we went to install a week later, they had sealed themselves up with debris and rust and whatnot. That's everything. Thanks for watching, guys, and be sure to stay tuned for the next video on when we do the install.